Namaskar, my friends. I welcome you all in this episode of our channel Untold Mafias. In our previous episode, we told you about two comic books published in Bengal. In this episode, my friends, let's talk about Batul the Great. Batul is an iconic comic character created by Sri Narayan Debnath, who is also the creator of Hada and Bodha and Nonte and Fonte comic books. Debnath once commented himself that he was thinking about creating a superhero and thought about his friend Sri Manohar Aich, who was a well-known bodybuilder in Bengal. Immediately, the appearance of Batul came up in his mind and the very popular Batul the Great was created. The serialized stories were the first comic strips. Those were created in color. The character of Batul was inspired by the famous comic character Desperate Dan, which was created by Mr. Dudley Watkins. Initially, the author did not give any superpower to the newly created character, but during the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971, Debnath was requested by the editors and publishers to add some aura of a superhero in Batul. Though reluctant initially, Batul was converted into a superhero, showing so many signs of invincibility, and Batul became a form of formidability, a much-needed push for the people of Bengal. Contrary to the other superheroes, Batul does not wear any attractive uniform or attire. He looks rather simple in a pink or orange vest and black shorts. Other characters of the stories of Batul include Bachchu and Bichu, who regularly create trouble at school, conspire with robbers, and commit daring crimes like bank robberies. Then there is Lambokarno, who has long ears and superhuman hearing quality. There are other minor characters also in Batul stories. The comic strips of Batul the Great appear in the children's magazine Sukhtara even today. My friends, you will appreciate that they are not only loved by children but also by adults. The animation film created on Batul the Great and his activities are shown in television too. There are other comic stories written in Bengali and published in Bengal, but none of those are as popular as Hada and Bodha, Nonte Fonte and Batul the Great. Well, now we have other comic book characters which have been published in Bengali language, along with the other languages in India. These comic heroes are hugely popular in Bengal too. One of them is Bahadur. Originally, this comic strip was created in the year 1976 by Abid Surti. Thereafter, he offered it to be published in Indrajal Comics, a Times of India publication, which was immensely popular in India, especially in Bengal. Bahadur was mainly published in Hindi and then in other Indian languages, including Bengali and English. When Bahadur was created in the mid-70s, dacoity was very much rampant, especially in the northern part of India. Due to this, most of the stories in this series were stories of battle against the dacoits and other crimes. Well, now we will tell about the comic book characters, the comic book heroes, who are internationally famous, at the same time published in Bengali and other Indian languages. In Bengal, children love to read and follow the stories of Phantom, Mandrake the Magician, Flash Gordon, Rip Kirby, Henry, and so many of them. The Phantom, which is an American character, is very much popular among kids in Bengal, where he is named as Aranyadev or Betal, whose stories were regularly published in Indrajal Comics till 1990, when Times of India decided to discontinue the comic book series. The adventures of Aranyadev, who is a family man, with his wife Dinah Palmer, who works in United Nations. His children Kit and Heloise are seen fighting the crime, especially the pirates and notorious criminals in the world, in the immensely popular comic book here in Bengal. Filmmakers have made films on the adventures of Phantom. Animation films were also being created and shown all over the world. Mandrake the Magician, more popular in Bengal as Jadukar Mandrake, is seen fighting against the crime by applying his magic in the comic books, which is read by millions of children in Bengal. Then we have Flash Gordon, who is the intergalactic comic book hero, who fights crime all over the Milky Way galaxy with his superpowers. Then there is Rip Kirby, the detective, more popular as Goinda Rip in Bengal, was published in Bengali language and appeared as serialized comic strip in magazines. Then we have Henry, a very popular comic book character all over the world known as Gablu in Bengal. Henry or Gablu is a very ordinary young boy and not portrayed like a superhero in the comic strips. We see him making funny gestures and actions, and there is hardly any dialogue in this comic series. Well, my friends, now we will talk about another world-famous comic character, Tintin the Reporter. This character, which is extremely popular in India, especially in Bengal, was created by Belgian cartoonist Georges Remy, who is more known by his pen name Hergé. The comic adventures of Tintin have been published in over 70 languages all over the world, including English and Bengali. The world is getting advanced day by day. So are the children, and so are the comic characters created and the comic books published. Now we are getting tons of new comic characters created for kids, and in spite of their busy schedules in the schools and co-curricular activities, kids are taking out time to read the stories of their favorite comic book heroes in the serialized comic, in the comic book published, playing with their toy forms and enjoying the games created on the comic book characters. We sincerely believe that we will get much more interesting and enjoyable comic characters in future, and children will continue to love them. Well, my friends, we will be back with more interesting subjects in our channel Untold Mafias. Till then, Namaskar. Please like and share our video and also comment on it. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.